Yeah, what up? It's your boy Roberto coming back at you once again with another video and another episode of Tales from the Cryptocurrency. So if you don't subscribe to the channel, please make sure that you hit that bell. All right, make sure that you like this video and drop a comment. Watch this video all the way through to the end and then click the links at the end. All right, do that for your boy. So I just want to tell everybody again, thank you so much for the support, man. The channel growth is great. Keep on dropping them likes, keep on dropping them comments, keep on sharing this out, keep on watching all the way to the end. All right, tell your friends, because if you had told your friends about cryptocurrency when I first started talking about it back in 2016, you would have at the least quadrupled your growth, regardless. If whatever you invested in, whether it was Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Ethereum, the big three Coinbase coins, you know what I'm saying? Right? So I got a pretty packed episode of Tales from the Crypto for you today. A couple things happened. We got an unfortunate dude that had to pay some ridiculous transaction fees on the Bitcoin block. Then we got Ethereum and some projected prices, right? And a heat map look and a look at coin market cap. All right, so let's check this out. So here is coin market cap right here, and as you can see, the only one that I usually deal with is Bitcoin. I used to be into Tron and all that other, XRP and all of that stuff, Ripple. I only mess with Bitcoin anymore. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin for the most part, and Bitcoin Cash for real. I mess with Bitcoin Cash, But look at Bitcoin, man. I swear I wish I still had all my periscopes saved from 2016, 2017, because man, oh, some serious I told you so. You know what I'm saying? Look at that, 40K. And it's going up, but I don't know, man. I think it might be going for a retracing pretty soon. So I don't know. I'd be kind of on the skeptical side as far as buying any, but you never know. There might be some slight dips where you can slide in there. You know what I'm saying? Then we got Ethereum, man. $1,500 Ethereum. I predicted this back in 2017, and it's coming. It's on the way. You know what I'm saying? $1,200. That's dope. You can't beat that, man. XRP, 33 cents. That ain't bad for XRP. I remember when XRP was $4, man. You know what I'm saying? Litecoin, shit. If you had bought earlier last year, you would have been able to buy Litecoin at $29. It's now $173.50, and it's gonna keep getting bigger. You know what I'm saying? And Bitcoin Cash is always consistent for huge jumps in growth. You know what I'm saying? So remember, again, this is not financial advice. This is what I do with my cryptocurrency, and you do what you do on your own, all right? So I'm gonna take a look at the Bitcoin heat map, and we got the whole crypto map green, so everything is good. Look at this, XRP is looking nice, EOS is looking nice, XLM, BNB, Binance Coin, man. You know what I'm saying? Binance Coin was that thing. That right there was the hit, man. If people had a save day Binance Coin, man, it would be so much new wealth, so many new millionaires, billionaires, you know what I'm saying? But, it is what it is, right? So Bitcoin, man, very impressive. And the Bitcoin dominance, as always, makes up like the entire market. All right. So let's check this article out right here from Cointelegraph. All right. And this is about Ethereum. Warp speed to $2,000. Watch these levels as Ethereum nears all-time high. And Ethereum has been underpriced. Anybody that's been following cryptocurrency knows that Ethereum is one of the most underpriced cryptocurrencies available. You know what I'm saying? Anything for the most part, Ethereum is pretty solid. You feel me? There's 23,385 views and only 45 total shares. People wonder why they broke out here. You know what I'm saying? So let's check this article out. Let's see what it says. Bitcoin is currently approaching 40,000. Well, it's past it now. After seeing massive gains in the first 7 days of 2021, this is a 100% move up from the previous all-time high in December of 2017. In other words, the price levels it took Bitcoin 3 years to recoup have now nearly doubled in a matter of weeks. Look at the chart. That's off the chain. You know what I'm saying? Even Ethereum is good. That is still impressive. You feel me? Meanwhile, the price of Ethereum has surged by more than 100% in 3 weeks. However, it has yet to break its all-time high of roughly $1,420 set in January 13, 2018. Therefore, the primary question is whether altcoins will underperform, keep pace, or outperform Bitcoin in the near term. Let's look at the Ethereum price charts to get an idea where this alt season can go in the near term. Ethereum reaches second Fibonacci level for a potential top. All right, so here we go right here. This is the previous high, and then this is the previous low. All right, boom. And if you watch, it's just progressively going up. If you watch these peaks, right? So here's the low, but right here, you know what I mean? There's that low. So it's slowly going up. It's just creeping up with the consistent lows being higher than the last one, that's a good pattern. That's exactly the way that you want to go. So now here it says the 3-day chart for Ethereum is displaying a vertical rally in the recent weeks. See, that's literally exactly what I said, which has resulted in several key levels being hit. In this case, the Fibonacci extension tool is useful in determining the next potential top. Fibonacci can't escape math. Frequently, this indicator is used to determine different top structures in the price discovery, but it can also be used to gauge the likely strength of the next impulse move. In this case, the recent high of the impulse move was at $470. The current low was at $90 in March of 2020. Based on that information, the 1.618 Fibonacci level was found at 750, while the 2.618 Fibonacci extension was at $1,150. The latter also confluences with the all-time region, which Ethereum is currently in. The next higher low puts 2,700 in place. So this is what they're expecting for the new high. So I'm not saying anything. If you know what you're doing, you already know what I'm about to say. All right, so now here it says the weekly chart has to be put on the logarithmic scale to make the analysis. However, if the Ethereum chart tops out in the near future, this could also be after a rally towards 1,500 and new all-time high. The same Fibonacci extension can be drawn over the recent impulsive move. All right, so now like I said, we've been talking about $15 Ethereum since 2016. You feel me? So now that shit's about to materialize. You know what I'm saying? And I think if you go way deep back into my videos on this post or on this channel, I actually have one of my old Tales from the Cryptocurrency videos where I'm goofing around on Periscope with a big ass beard, just talking shit, listening to rap music, looking at cryptocurrency. Look where it's at now, you know what I'm saying? And now, you know what I mean? Like I'm like doing this. And Periscope is about to be dead. There's that. All right, so now here we got the current high at 1,230, while the recent low is found at 310. Thus, the Fibonacci extension finds the potential top structures at 1,800 and 2,700 and 2,800. The higher the current impulse wave goes, the greater the prospects of a new rally, which support levels are critical. All right, so now here it says the weekly chart shows that the market is accelerating. See, that's literally what I said. However, investors and traders should anticipate a potential correction to occur soon. Just said that, as nothing goes up in a straight line. Absolutely, because we're not dealing with anything linear. We're dealing with logarithmic and exponential. You know what I'm saying? In that case, Fibonacci can also be used to define support areas. The primary support zone to test is the region between $775 and $825. The 0.35 to 0.382 Fibonacci level. This support level is confluent with the rejection of that level in April of 2018. If that level doesn't provide enough support, a further correction towards the order block around 600 becomes likely. Such a correction would be massively painful for the market and cause the price to drop more than 50%, which seems unlikely at this point. Key near-term support for Ethereum and US dollars. See, again, they're literally hitting up the same points that I'm showing. Here goes the Fibonacci levels. You know what I'm saying? Always pay attention to these graphs. All right, this is where it's going to go and then stop and top out at. You know what I'm saying? So now here it says the lower time frame chart shows an apparent surge with the drawn trend line continuously serving as support. Yep, see? And then this is the trend line here. And these are the Fibonacci levels. All right. So now here it says, in such a way, the trend line itself is a massive indicator of further upward and downward momentum. See, and it's just, look at the candlesticks. You know what I mean? Let me see. If this trend line fails to sustain support, downward pressure seems inevitable. In that case, if the trend line fails to hold, the 1,120 to 1,130 area should hold. If not, Ethereum is back in previous range, and a test at 950 will then be in the cards. The bullish case, however, is a new all-time high for the price of Ethereum if this trend remains intact. All right, and again, like this article says, I'm saying it again, the views and opinions expressed here are solely those of the author and do not necessarily reflect the views of Cointelegraph or Blacklight Revelations. Every investment and trading move involves risk. You should conduct your own research when making a decision. All right, so if you like Cointelegraph, they got a channel here on YouTube as well. Make sure that you subscribe to Cointelegraph, and also make sure that you hit that bell icon here, because we do cryptocurrency videos here. I have a whole playlist with nothing but crypto. All right. So now this is what I was talking about right here. And this is coming from Bitcoin.com. An unknown user incurs more than $80,000 in transaction fees when sending Bitcoin worth $1. So they had to pay $80,000 to send $1. That shit is crazy, man. Them blocks, they start acting crazy, man, when the transaction and the hashes is high and all that. I don't know how that shit gets calculated, but they need to have some customer service. So here it says, an unknown person incurred a transaction fee of more than $80,000, which is at that time was 3.49 Bitcoins when transferring Bitcoin worth $1.16. According to blockchain.com, in the December 19th transaction, which included block 662052 and had an input of 3.49 Bitcoin and an output of, what is this, like 500,000? Let me see, 10,000s, 10,000s, 100,000s, 500,000 of a Bitcoin. Oh, they got, oh man. As one report explains, the unusually high fee may have been the result of an error made by the Bitcoin user when manually constructing the transaction details. However, as Alex Lebed, the head of development at X Sigma DeFi, tells news.bitcoin.com, this may have happened because certain wallets allow you to spend unlimited transaction fees in order to boost your transaction with miners. All right. Emphasizing that this is technically possible, Lebed explains this practice is done to fund the transaction in a mining pool of your choice, making it a priority. Lebed then continues, meanwhile, a large fee paid by the unknown person was incurred one day after the average transaction fee on the Bitcoin network topped $11.91. Data from BitInfoChart shows that the transaction fee on the network surpassed the $10 mark for the first time since November 5th, when they peaked at $12.05. However, after the brief surge, transaction fees had dropped back to $6.15 by December 20th. Nevertheless, transaction fees on the network remain higher than they were at the start of the year. On January 1st, the average fee on the Bitcoin network was 33 cents. And for the next 4 months, it remained below $1. Since the beginning of May 2020, Bitcoin network fees surpassed the $1 level and have largely stayed above that level since then. So I'm gonna check this out. All right. And I'm also, because I want to find more about this transaction fee. I'm not trying to laugh, but that's actually hilarious. Oh, that's terrible, man. I would be like super duper heated, you know what I'm saying, if that shit happened to me. That's crazy. Well, guess what? That's it. Tales from the cryptocurrency. That's the end. All right. So if you made it this far, then you made it to the end of the video. Make sure that you smash the like button. Make sure that you drop a comment. Make sure that you share this out to all of your social media networks, Twitter, Facebook, Discord, Reddit, everything. All right. Check the about page. Shoot your boy articles and videos if you're interested. All right. And I will catch y'all on the next one. And like I said, YouTube is taking forever to monetize my account. If you enjoy the content and you want to see the platform grow, which all donations will definitely be reinvested into the platform with full transparency, you know, you can take a look at the About page and you can check out Streamlabs, Stream Elements, or directly Cash App or PayPal. All right, and that's it. So I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.